If you're on Mac and you want to use Blender to create for IMVU, you're going to need to download the toolkit. So in the browser, type create.imvu.com/articles/studio/toolkit. This will open up the toolkit page where we can scroll down and click on the link to download it. So click the link, get this pop-up, allow. So that's going to download the toolkit. And then once it's available, we can install it, but we need to do two things. So in Blender, we want to go into Edit, Preferences. So Edit, Preferences, and install the add-on. So click the install button, browse to the location where it was downloaded. Typically that'll be in Downloads. Select the folder, install the add-on. That will drill into the folder and it'll give us the Python file, the py file. So install that, install add-on, and then enable the add-on. So click the checkbox. So what we want to do here is expand the information that's associated with the plugin, because we need to take a look at this file path. This is where the plugin has been installed, and we need to note the path, the file path to this destination, because this is where the rest of the plugin is going to be installed or copied. So in the Finder, we need to take a look at our user information. So user catchbits in this case, which is the same as users catchbits. We want the library folder, but we can't see that. So we have to control click show view options. This will give us the folder or view options, and what we want to do is enable show library folder. That's this. So enable that. There's library. Double click to enter. Application support. There's Blender 3.6, scripts, add-ons, and it's installed as we expect it to. It's installed the py, the Python script, but not the entire folder. So we need to copy that into this location in here. So this is our full path. Users, catchbits, library, application support, Blender 3.6, scripts, add-ons. So obviously catchbits will be your specific user. So we can close that. We need to open another instance of the Finder. Grab the file, copy that. So Command C, and paste it, Command V, into this folder. And this should then, if we close out of this and restart Blender, we should find that now is able to find the mega scene. So Toolkit, sidebar, IMVU Studio Toolkit. Let's use the clothing file, and there is the clothing file. It's a bit tricky to install on the Mac, but that's a long-winded way of installing the toolkit on macOS so that it works.